Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Well, for those of you that live through winter seasonally, when you're bringing snow into your car or your SUV, a lot of melting, a lot of water sitting in the carpet, and the areas that you salt, you often get salt stains. Here's a little suggestion you might try to protect your carpet. We're going to flip it around and take a look inside. Now we're looking at the inside of an SUV, the passenger front footwell, and what do we see? We see a high quality WeatherTech mat, which is designed to catch lots of liquid floating around as it melts in your vehicle. You're going to spend a little bit more money for this mat, but it does a really good job in keeping the liquids in the mat. Don't forget to empty it once in a while. For those of you that are afraid the liquid's going to defeat the mat, a couple of old towels underneath these mats can save the liquid from staining your carpet. You have to remember to take them out once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks in the winter to launder them and dry them. Be very careful if you're going to do that on the driver's side, as you don't want the mat to slip and jam up under the accelerator pedal. Every vehicle is a little different. I'll leave it up to you, but it's actually a pretty good suggestion. If you like this video, please press subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.